Hi, welcome to the Gamakay Pheonix Switch review video.
That is interesting.
What's up guys, Sauce here, hope your day's going well. So today we'll be reviewing the Gamakay Pheonix Switch.
That is very interesting.
As you can hear by that, this is a silent switch. I will test it on two different keyboards, a plastic keyboard and an aluminum keyboard. I'll give you all the details later on in the video. Silent switches are very unique and niche. They definitely aren't for everyone, but I think these are a great option, so let's get into it. Shout out to Gamakay for sending these switches out so I can do this review. So this is the Gamakay Pheonix Switch. It's a 45-gram switch. This is a silent switch and it uses silicone O-ring to cushion the sound. You can definitely feel that cushion when you bottom out. The bottom out is really cushioned nicely, and I think it works well for being a silent switch. It is a 3-pin switch. This switch does come pre-lubed, but I don't think the pre-lube is good enough. It could be better. You will hear that these silent switches are a bit high-pitched, and what I mean by that is the silence produces like a white noise. You will hear that in the sound test and you'll see what I mean. It's a bit scratchy, but not extraordinarily scratchy. It's slightly scratchy. That's what I mean by they could have lubed them a lot better. These are very comparable to some switches I already have, such as the Temu Silent Peach and Nude Rosa by Apple Maker. And for my final thoughts, I think these switches are great in the silent scene. They're by all means not the best switches ever, but for the silent switch, it's comparable to some of the best silent switches in the game. It's not the most silent, it's definitely budget friendly, and it's worth trying out. And if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment below, are these switches worth buying? Let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.